Implicit Cursor. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the implicit cursor. Implicit cursors are not declared like explicit cursors. Whenever an SQL statement is directly used in the executable section of the PL/SQL block, you are working with implicit cursors. Implicit cursors are implicitly created whenever insert, update, delete, and select to statements are executed in our program. There is no need to declare, open, fetch, or close an implicit cursor. Implicit cursor supports all explicit cursor attributes. We can refer to the implicit cursor attributes through the SQL cursor. With explicit cursors, we must use the cursor name with the attributes. When we execute a select statement which does not return any rows, PL/SQL immediately raises the No Data Found exception. When a select statement returns more than one row, PL/SQL immediately raises the Too Many Rows exception. Here we will see a program which uses an implicit cursor. Look at this program. Here we have used the update statement inside the executable block of a PL/SQL program, so an implicit cursor is created automatically. Here we have used the attribute NotFound to check whether the cursor is created or not. We have used this implicit cursor via SQL. In this section, we are going to discuss cursor variable. Let's start our discussion with its definition. A cursor variable is a data structure which points to the cursor's result set. We can use cursor variable to retrieve rows from the result set more easily. The syntax for creating ref cursor variable type is type ref cursor name is ref cursor return record type. To use cursor variables, we must first create a ref cursor type. This syntax shows the creation of a new ref cursor type. We need to create a ref cursor declaration with a return clause. This defines that a query will return some rows at runtime. Here we have created a cursor ref type student cur type, and then a cursor variable is created with the name student cur. We need to open the cursor with the open command. Here we can specify the select statement to fetch the records for that cursor. We can fetch the rows from this cursor the same as an explicit cursor. In this lesson, we have discussed the implicit cursor, its attributes, and the creation of an implicit cursor.